Okay, so here's an update on the crazy kitten I saved from the side of the highway yesterday, who apparently now thinks they own my house. Hi, kitten face. How you feeling? You good? You got anything you want to say to the YouTube family? That was cute. Okay. And so we found out that it's a female, and I am currently calling it Kitten Face because I can't come up with a better name. So if anybody has any suggestions for a little black cat kitten name, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, comment.